Hello everybody, this is Sonia and I've got another parcel here, another entry for my my 5 years on YouTube subby challenge. This one here is from Joanne Leigh and she's in Victoria in Australia, and Joanne has sent me a entry in my giveaway. That's very kind of you, Joanne. Oh wow, this is a lovely card. Heartfelt congratulations to you. Congratulations on 5 years on YouTube. I love watching your videos and I've learned a lot of new things from them. I know you're using my projects. Here's to another wonderful 5 years. P.S. I know that this will arrive too late for you. Challenge, well, it didn't, Joanne, so that's okay. You're right. You've got it here on time because I'm going to be drawing this afternoon, actually, because I extended it. This is awesome. Now she's got this in a nice bag with the top on it here. Joanne, that's not funny. Cut you down unless I cut something. Oh dear. Never mind, here I go. I'll just cut I'll cut something. Okay. Righto. Look at this. I've got some nice fabric. Thank you very, very much. Oh wow, this is cool. Oh, I do love that. That is brilliant. Thank you so much. It's a beautiful, beautiful floral piece, and it's very, very soft, very fine piece of fabric. That is beautiful. Thank you so much. I do love the colours and that on that. That's awesome. And I got another one, and this one here is absolutely beautiful. Look at the colours on this. Wow. Isn't that cool? Oh dear. Oh, that's very nice. Thank you so much. Thank you. And this one, oh dear, this is soft. Wow, look at that. Oh, look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Oh, it's really pretty. Thank you so much. This is nice. It was very kind of you to share these things with me. Thank you. No, I thought I'd done it the wrong way. No, it's not. It's in the right way. Look at these. Isn't that pretty? Wow, thank you so much. Joanne, these are awesome. Oh, and a spotty one. I do love a spot. I do love a spot. Spots and stripes, it says on the side. Look at this. Isn't this pretty too? Oh, yes. Thank you very much for this, Joanne. That's very kind. And thank you very much to everybody for watching. I really appreciate you entering in my challenge, and I really love the fact that you thought to send me something. Thank you very much. It's very kind of you. We'll talk to you later, everybody. Bye-bye.